usanga rero average iri nko kuri 15% mu bihugu bigera nko kuri 12, ariko ibindi bisigaye usanga bageza nibura muri 30% ungenekereje ku imisoro uko ifasha muri development, ariko hanini ugasanga baracyashakisha ahandi. Ntabwo bihagije, niyo mpamvu ubona tugerageza no kuvugana n'abanyamakuru nkamwe no kuvugana n'abandi bashinzwe nk'abakora mu nteko zishinga amategeko, no kuvugana n'abandi bose bavuga ari kijyana, kugira ngo bashobore kumvisha ari abaturage ndetse ari n'inzego kugira ngo zikorane. So that they put in place laws, they put in place policies that then inform the revenue administration. So what ATAF then does is we come in, we look at the laws, we look at what is existing, and we advise them to work together so that they are able to come up with revenue administrations that are only, that are effective. So that effectiveness usually comes from having enough powers to hire the right people, to be able to get rid of people who are not playing by the book, to be able to deal directly with taxpayers and provide timely responses, to be able to provide timely refunds where they don't have to go to a third party to authorize refunds.